In this video, I'll detail how to reset display colors on iPhone. So whether your iPhone is running on iOS 18 or not, this video is going to walk you through how you can easily reset your iPhone display color. So if the color is showing gray or the color combination is not the primary color your iPhone came with, then this video is going to show you how you can easily reset this to go back to the default color on your iPhone. So if I don't know this video, if you found this really helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And the first one to do here is go to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, scroll down and click on accessibility. Once you click on accessibility, scroll down and locate display and text size. Then scroll down this page until you get to color filter. You can see color filter can be used to differentiate colors by users who are color blind and aid users who have difficult reading text on the display. Then click on this. Now, if this is enabled in your own case or you have any of these selected like this, now you can easily disable the color filter or display colors on your iPhone by turning off this. So once that is disabled, this is going to return your iPhone color back to default. But once this is enabled, this is what you're going to see. See that? And if you choose any of all these color combinations like color tint, blue yellow filter, you see that? Green and red filter, red and green filter, and you can use this intensity to adjust the display colors. So to reset this or restore it back to the default, all you just need to do here is this. Just turn off color filters. Once you turn off color filters, this is going to reset the display color on your iPhone. So if you found this really helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.